Are you letting money slip away? Imagine waking up one day to realize you've been losing hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars, just because you didn't have a plan. Scary, right? But what if I told you there's a way to not just plug those financial leaks, but also build a roadmap to wealth, all from your phone? Hi, I'm Investify Insights, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to take control of your finances. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to turn financial stress into financial success. Stick around because the last tool I'll share might just change your life. Here's the truth. Most 18 to 30-year-olds in the US are living paycheck to paycheck. Sound familiar? You're not alone. 67% of Americans couldn't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing money or selling something. That's not just a number, that's fear. And it's why so many people give up on budgeting before they even start. Because, let's face it, trying to budget without help feels a bit like using a spoon to dig your way out of quicksand. Effective? Number hilarious? Also no. But there's good news. We live in the golden age of technology. AI isn't just for self-driving cars or scarily accurate TikTok ads. It can also transform how you manage your money. Let's dive in. Here are the tools that will make budgeting smarter, faster, and even fun. Tool number 1. Mint. Mint is like your financial therapist. It syncs to your bank accounts, categorizes your spending automatically, and even nags you when you overspend. Think of it as the friend who reminds you not to blow your paycheck on weekend brunches. Every day you don't track your spending is another day you could be losing money, and Mint helps stop that. Cliffhanger. But what if you want a tool that doesn't just track, but also plans your financial future? Tool number 2, YNAB. You need a budget. Here's where YNAB comes in. Unlike Mint, YNAB doesn't just track where your money went. It tells your money where to go. With YNAB, every dollar you earn has a job. Savings, covered, bills, handled, guilt-free spending, yep, that too. I know the name sounds like someone yelling at you. You need a budget. But trust me, you'll thank them later. Tool number 3, ChatGPT for financial advice. Now, what if you had a virtual financial assistant? One that works 24/7, never judges, and doesn't charge a single dollar. With ChatGPT, you can create personalized budgets, ask for savings tips, or even get advice on investment strategies. For example, ask it to create a monthly budget based on your income and watch it work its magic. But here's the catch. Not all AI advice is created equal. In a bit, I'll share how to ensure you're getting accurate, actionable information. Here's the thing. Tools alone won't make you wealthy. It's about how you use them. The habits you build now, tracking spending, setting goals, investing, will determine whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or designing your dream life in 5 years. So, what's next? If you've made it this far, it's because you're serious about your future. But don't stop here. Learning how to budget is just the start. The tools I shared today are just the tip of the iceberg. If you want to uncover more ways to grow your wealth and live the life you've always dreamed of, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. New videos every week because your future self is counting on you. And hey, subscribing is free. Unlike that $7 coffee you're probably drinking right now.